1. The word drone originally referred to male bees, which have no stingers and are known for their monotonous buzzing sound. 2. Drones are also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) or remotely piloted aircraft systems (RPAS). 3. The first recorded use of a drone was during World War I, when the U.S. military used unmanned aerial vehicles to train anti-aircraft gunners. 4. Drones are used for a wide range of purposes, including aerial photography, surveillance, search and rescue, delivery, and agriculture. 5. The first commercial drone delivery took place in 2016, when a drone delivered a package of medical supplies to a remote area in rural Virginia. 6. Drones can be controlled remotely using a controller or a smartphone app, or they can be programmed to fly autonomously using GPS and other navigation systems. 7. Drones have become popular among hobbyists and enthusiasts, who use them for aerial photography, racing, and other recreational activities. 8. Drones have been used to capture stunning footage of natural wonders, such as waterfalls, glaciers, and volcanoes. 9. Drones have been used in film and television production to capture aerial shots that would be difficult or impossible to get using traditional camera equipment. 10. Drones have been used to inspect and survey infrastructure and buildings, including bridges, dams, and power lines. 11. Drones have been used in conservation efforts to monitor wildlife populations and track animal migrations. 12. Drones have been used in disaster response efforts to assess damage and locate survivors in hard-to-reach areas. 13. Drones have been used to provide internet access to remote and underserved areas around the world. 14. Drones have been used in agriculture to monitor crops, map fields, and spray pesticides and fertilizers. 15. Drones have been used in construction to survey sites and create 3D models of buildings and structures. Overall, drones have become a versatile and powerful tool for a wide range of industries and applications, from entertainment and recreation to surveillance and disaster response. Their ability to capture aerial footage and data has opened up new possibilities for exploration, analysis, and innovation. 16. Drones can vary greatly in size, from tiny palm-sized drones that can fit in the palm of your hand to large drones with wingspans of over 200 feet. 17. Drones can fly at high altitudes and speeds, with some drones capable of reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. 18. Drones can be equipped with a wide range of sensors and cameras, including thermal imaging cameras, lidar, and multispectral cameras. 19. Drones have been used in scientific research to study the environment, including monitoring weather patterns, tracking marine life, and studying the effects of climate change. 20. Drones have been used in the military for surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting, as well as for delivering supplies and conducting airstrikes. 21. Drones can be equipped with advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and computer vision, allowing them to perform complex tasks autonomously. 22. Drones have been used in the sports industry to capture aerial footage of events, including football games, skiing competitions, and surfing contests. 23. Drones have been used in the music industry to capture aerial footage of concerts and festivals, as well as to create music videos. 24. Drones have been used in the fashion industry to capture aerial footage of fashion shows and photo shoots. 25. Drones have been used in the tourism industry to capture aerial footage of popular tourist destinations, as well as to provide aerial tours of cities and landmarks. Overall, drones have become a ubiquitous and versatile tool that has transformed many industries and applications. Their ability to capture aerial footage and data has created new opportunities for exploration, analysis, and innovation in fields ranging from entertainment and recreation to science and conservation.